In 1665, London was gripped by the Great Plague. Amidst the chaos, a peculiar observation emerged. Sneezing seemed to ward off the disease. People believed that sneezing expelled evil spirits. Physicians of the time, like Dr. Nathaniel Hodges, noted that sneezing was a natural defense, expelling irritants and germs. This led to the widespread use of snuff, a powdered tobacco that induced sneezing. Could this simple act have saved lives? While the plague eventually subsided, the belief in sneezing's protective power lingered, influencing health practices for centuries. Today, we know sneezing clears our noses, but its historical impact is undeniable.